What if I told you? Nature already has the answer to yellowing leaves, stunted growth, and dull winter blooms, and it costs just pennies? This simple, natural trick helps your plant stay vibrant, even in the colder months. It not only boosts growth but enriches the soil, fights off disease, and even keeps some pests away. Here's how to use it. Start with 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Sprinkle it directly into the soil around your plant. Gently mix it in, then water as usual. That's it. Do this every 14 days. Want to boost it even further? You can make a liquid fertilizer. Take 1 tablespoon of mustard powder and mix it with a spoonful of potato starch. Add this blend to about a liter of warm water, stir well, and let it sit for a few hours. Then water your plants with it. The mustard disinfects the soil and wards off harmful microbes, while the starch feeds the beneficial ones, giving your plant roots the perfect balance of protection and nutrition. If your flowers look tired, give them this, and watch them bounce back with rich green leaves and stronger blooms. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, powerful plant care tips.